Aadaptron brings another maths quiz for class 2 students. Let's begin. What is 2017 plus 2 plus 0 plus 1 plus 7 equal to? It is 2027. How many of you got it right? Tell in the comments. What is missing number in the sequence 1, 2, 4, 11 and 16? It is 8. A number has 9 ones, 6 tens and 8 hundreds. Then what is the number? Who will guess? It's 8, 6 and 9. It was very easy. What is the sum of first 10 whole numbers greater than 0? Type 55 in the chat if you got your answer right. 3 friends have 18 jelly beans altogether and they want to share the beans equally among each other. So how many jelly beans should each friend get? It is 6. Simply divide 18 by 3. So we'll get 6 as the answer. Jet has 8 coins and his sister Haley has twice as many coins as him. So how many coins do they have all together? The answer is 24. You can calculate and check. Hit like if you are enjoying this video. How many times does the digit 2 appear from 1 to 50? You have to calculate. The next question is, a cube with side length of 3 cm is painted grey and cut into small cubes with each side of length 1 cm. Then how many cubes will have exactly two faces painted? The right answer is 12. 12 smaller cubes will have exactly 2 faces painted. There are 684 pupils in a school and 297 are boys. Then how many are girls in this school? Simply you can find out by subtraction. So the right answer is 487. Comment 487 if you got it right. What note would you use to pay for a geometry box costing rupees 18? A 10, 20 or a 5 rupee note? Yes, a 20 rupee note will be used and you will get 2 rupees back. Hit like if you are enjoying. In 3278, 2 is in which place? Ones, tens or hundreds? Yes, it's hundreds place. When arranged in order from smallest to biggest, which number will be last? Tell me. Yes, it is 79. That is the largest number. So it will be at the last position. Reena has 496 books. Mona has 388. So how many books they have in all? We will simply add them. So 496 plus 388 is the right answer. Which of the following digit in 928 is at hundreds place? Who will tell this? It's very easy. So digit 9 is at hundreds place. Are you enjoying the quiz? Keep on sending comments. The largest 2-digit number is 10, 99 or 90? Yes, it's 99. Option B. If mango weighs 400 grams, apple weighs 200 grams and in total there are 800 grams of fruits, then what will be the weight of grapes? It's 200 grams. Oscar has to board a train that arrives the station at 4:20. If he reaches the station at 3:45, then how long will he have to wait at the platform? The right answer is 35 minutes. 15 minutes till 4 and 20 further. Fill in the blanks to get the missing number in the sequence. So simply we need to look at the pattern and then find out which number is the most suitable. So here if we look, each number has a difference of 7. For example, 141 and 148 have a difference of 7, 148 and 155 have a difference of 7. So we'll simply add 7 to the first number to get the missing number. That is 127 plus 7. So the right answer will be 134. Comment yes if you got the concept, how to find the missing number. Hope you liked this quiz. Subscribe to our channel for more such quizzes. Many more quizzes are lined up. Thank you. Bye-bye.